Hello, assalamualaikum, my name is Aten. I'm from Digital Product 1 team. Are you tired of spending hours creating content from YouTube videos? Introducing TubeWizard, the revolutionary tool that transforms YouTube videos into SEO-optimized content in just seconds. With TubeWizard, you can quickly convert video content into structured formats like articles, checklists, and more, all with a user-friendly Chrome extension. Here's how it works. Install the Chrome extension, download and unlock lifetime access with a one-time payment of just $17. Select a YouTube video, choose any video you want to process. Activate TubeWizard, click the extension while the video plays. Choose your output, get summaries, key takeaways, SEO-optimized articles, or checklists with just a click. TubeWizard offers incredible features. Summarize videos in 2 to 3 paragraphs. Extract key insights in bullet points. Create SEO-optimized articles with relevant keywords. Generate step-by-step checklists for easy implementation. Users have reported dramatic improvements in productivity and content quality. Whether you're a blogger, digital marketer, educator, or freelancer, TubeWizard is designed for everyone. Plus, for a limited time, you'll receive exclusive bonuses like pro video transitions, royalty-free stock images, and much more, all included with your purchase. Don't miss this chance to supercharge your content creation process. Click the link below to secure your lifetime access to TubeWizard for just $17. Join the thousands who are transforming their content today. Visit us now at clickperfect.my.id/TubeWizard for more details.